How to post Facebook Reels for beginners. So first of all, launch Facebook application. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then tap on your profile picture icon at the top right. Now once you come to your profile, you'll see the category of Reel. Tap on it. Now over here you can also create a reel from your camera directly, or you can upload a video saved on your gallery as a reel. Now you can also select multiple. If you do so, you can choose more than one video in order to add a reel. After that, make a selection on a video. Then tap on Next. After this, you can add an audio to your reel. You can edit your reel, add effects to your reel as well, add text on your reel, and add stickers. Then you can tap on this three-dot icon at the top right. From here, you can save the edited video reel to your gallery. You can also upload an audio description. You can upload text transcript. You can also add AI label to your reel, or you can tap on report a problem if you are facing any issue while uploading a reel. Then tap on the option of Next. From here, you can describe your reel or add certain hashtags to your Facebook reel. Then you can choose the visibility of the reel. If you tap on it, you can choose the audience according to your preferences, who can see your reel. Then tap on Done. You can also share to your story. If you tap on this option, you would also be able to directly or automatically share this specific reel to your story. From here, you can turn on this toggle. Once you do so, you can set sharing frequency. You can choose it to share always or share once. Then tap on Save. Now after this, go back and then you can share that reel to your Instagram account as well. So if you tap on that option, if you have an Instagram account, you can connect it to your Facebook account and then you can turn on this toggle. Once you do so, your reels will be shared to both Facebook and Instagram once you create it. Now let's go back. And you can also tap on Tag People option. You can tag certain friends from Facebook on that reel. You can also add AI label. If you turn on this toggle, AI label will be added to your reel. You can add certain topics to your reel as well, what your reel is about. Then just tap on Done option. After that, you can tap on the See More setting option. Now over here on this option, if you are eligible for monetization, you can also earn money through your reels. After you have set all these options for your reel, just tap on Share Now. Now just wait for some time until your reel is being uploaded. Now in order to check if your reel has been uploaded or not, you can simply reload your Facebook account. After that, you will be able to see the reels that you have created on the Reels category of your Facebook profile. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.